Welcome to the course overview video for CAD 303, CAD Detailing. As the name of the course suggests, we focus on detailing in this course. We begin the course by getting involved with production techniques that are used throughout offices in the architecture, engineering, and construction community. We've received excellent guidance from the American Institute of Architects, and we share that production technology information with you. We then shift our focus over to details. We begin, just like happens in many offices, where offices have existing libraries of details, and those libraries of details do not conform to standard office requirements. We bring out information like inconsistency in details. And then we learn how to solve and standardize the details that we create so that they can effectively be integrated into construction documents. We then shift into creating some of our own details using information that we've previously created in building sections and by incorporating manufacturers' detailed information. Here's an example of details that have been extracted from the building section, and again you can see in the orangish color the manufacturer's information that we have created. Again, you can see the consistency of the layout of these details as they relate to other details we've previously created. The final deliverable for the course are details that we've created in the class, and you can see that we have holding spots here for details that you will be creating on your own and submitting as part of the course deliverables. We wrap up the course with a thorough analysis of millwork and cabinetry drawings, and we review how information is successfully exchanged throughout the set of construction documents. We look forward to your joining us for the class, and we hope you'll have a really good time.